Hey, Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add gradient color in Canva. So I'm going to show you a few different options. So the first one, you can click onto the design. You can click on the background color, scroll down and look at the gradient colors that are there. There's loads of different ones to choose from. As you can see, you can click on them to add them to your design or just to see what they look like. Lots of funky different colors here. So the other option you have is to create your own gradient colors. So you can do this by clicking on add new color, click on gradient, and then start adding colors to mix them up and create your own gradients. You can also choose from different styles for which show basically just mean how the gradient looks on the canvas. So click the first color, say it's something pinky, then I might add something green, and then I can add something purple, and then maybe something more blue, and you can see my funky gradient there. So the other option you have is to use one of the gradient apps. So on the left hand side you can click on apps, then type in gradients, and different apps will come up. The ones I like to use are Gradient Generator and Mesh Gradient. So I can click on Gradient Generator, and then I can choose different colors that I want in my new gradient. So you can click on Randomize, and the app will just mesh different colors together, and when you see one you like, you can click to add it to your design, and then you can play about with it here. So the mesh gradient is another good one as well. So that one is also in apps. So there we go. I'm just going to click on that and check out the mesh gradient app. And again, you can choose different gradient styles like circular or curves, and then you can change the colors and just mesh up lots of different colors for different gradients. So just go ahead and play about with it. You can randomize the positions and make really funky gradient designs. When you're happy, you can click to add it to your design. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.